Securing endpoints is easier with the Omnissa platform, both at provisioning and over time. In this demo, we'll see how you can configure baselines, achieve desired state management, and enforce compliance to ensure that every device is protected according to your organization's policies and stays protected with less manual work. Creating secure configurations in the console is quick and easy. Workspace ONE includes pre-configured Windows baselines from CIS and from Microsoft. You can select the desired baselines, then further customize policies. In the Security Options drop-down menu, you can see a list of policies available to implement. Once the baseline is deployed, the desired state engine on the endpoint will correct any drift and return to the set baseline. Workspace ONE UEM enables you to monitor your entire device fleet in real time through a single console. You can observe update rollouts using the Device Updates dashboard. Clicking on the Devices view, you can track all endpoints and access essential metrics like firewall status, AV status, Windows Update status, BitLocker status, and recovery keys. You can also view devices that are flagged as non-compliant or compromised and dig into the details as needed. Switching to the Compliance tab, you can see that 2 policies are configured for this example, covering the operating system version and encryption. Omnissa Freestyle enables you to create workflows that automatically identify risks and correct them. In this example, a freestyle workflow has been created to ensure device compliance by detecting and remediating devices that conflict with policies. This workflow identifies devices with the risk factors of outdated operating system, encryption status, or firewall status. The workflow can validate the device state against each policy using the granular conditions, and then perform remediation actions like sending notifications, running a script, or installing a profile. This remediates compliance concerns while keeping the end user informed. With Omnissa, desktop security is no longer a tedious manual process. Instead, you can proactively secure your enterprise with granular visibility, automated workflows, and industry-leading products, all while empowering your IT team to focus on what matters most. Elevate security and empower your business with the Omnissa solution for security and compliance.